Dear students, we are from BBAK Technologies. You could see our contact details and email address on screen. Today we are talking if today we are talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning and reinforcement learning. So here I would like to give a simple example for this artificial intelligence and machine learning. So here I take one simple example. Like in olden days, there are some circus companies where animals will be brought to the public to demonstrate the animal skills. So, but before bringing into the public, those animals will be trained in the circus companies internally. So, means each animal means here model is two stages. First stage is learning stage and second stage is demonstration in the public. So, at the learning stage, what happens? Yeah, trainer is going to teach or train the animal. Like for example, lion. So trainer, when he raises the hand, lion should stand up. When trainer down the hand, automatically it should sit. So like this. So what happens? You should understand here three very important concepts. There is something called signal, raising hand or downing the hand. These are all the signals. And animal, when it comes to animal, it is in particular state. It may be in sitting state. When you raise the hand, animal should stand up. Means standing up is the action and animal is in particular state. See, you see here, signal comes and the animal is in particular state and it takes some action. That action will make it to another state. That is second. That is the third. So here three inputs, three things you should focus: signal, state, and then action. So when a model means animal is in particular state, one signal comes means when raising hand is the input signal. When the signal comes, animal should take a action. So it should stand up. But here, in a particular state, there are multiple actions are possible. It can stand up or it can remain in the same state like sitting only, or it can jump. So like multiple actions are possible, but which action animal takes? So that is trainer's job to train. So here what happened? He is having some meat. He is going to reward the animal if it takes some action. See, for example, when you raise the hand, if animal stands up, it rewards it with meat. So animal second time when it was sitting, if you raise the hand, it never stands up. What happens? He will try to beat with the stick. Means it's like punishment. So animal knows, oh, when I am sitting, if I raise the hand, I should stand up so that he will reward me with the meat. If I am sitting and if he raise the hand, if I don't stand up, immediately he will punish me. So like the punish and rewardment, these two entities are going to train the animal. Similarly, here also in artificial intelligence, model is going to be trained. For a particular signal, model has to take some action, mean some action. So multiple actions are possible at a particular state, means it is in sitting state. Multiple actions are possible, but it takes the action that is going to reward the model. Understand? So this is the technique is used. Rewarding or punishment is the things used on an animal for changing the state based on the signal, state and action. These three items. Okay. So based on these three items will be fed to the model and it is trained. So this is called training session. Once the training is over and it scores well, it understood for a particular action when it is in some particular state. For example, it is in sitting state. If he down the hand, it should remain in sitting only because it's downing. So it learns like this based on its current state and the signal received from the model, will, based on that, it takes the action. The particular action it takes should reward it well. So this is the way of training the model. So once the model is trained for a particular extent, the next is we are bringing the model to the real world for operation, means production environment. So when the model is in production environment, then reinforcement learning will start. You say what reinforcement method? There is the state of the lion. Lion is in sitting state. When he raises the hand, it should stand up. If lion is in standing state, he raises the hand, it cannot do anything. It's already stand. If it is in the standing state, if you down the hand, it should sit down. Then only it will be rewarded. So these things are trained. But during the production environment, it may come to the state where that state is not trained in during the training session. So in the production may. So example, lion during the operation in the circus company, as it reaches world, his leg may be broken, or it corrupt, or it is having some problem. In the production environment, if you raise the hand, lion should stand up. It cannot stand up because of its leg is stuck in something else. Correct? It cannot stand up. So it is a new situation. It is in the sitting stage, but his leg is hold, so it cannot stand. If it stands, then only it is rewarded. Correct? But it cannot stand. So what action it should take when leg? So it is not trained. So in this type of situations will be handled. First time, of course, it cannot be rewarded. It is going against to the learning session. Learning session, when hand is raised, it should stand up. But here, because its leg is stuck, it cannot stand up in the production environment. Maybe it is not rewarded, but it is like relearning is happening here. And relearning how happens? Because the sitting state with broken leg was not trained in training session. So, but it is going to learn in the production environment itself by taking the feedback. So this kind of things is called reinforcement learning. So I will give you a very good example on machine learning and reinforcement learning in the next video. Thanks for your watching, and I recommend strongly you people to consult me on shown address for your project implementation on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you very much.